Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I hope you guys are all doing well. So this haul will be a haul from Amazon, and it's going to be, I'm going to show you what I wore to my sister's wedding, what I ended up getting from Amazon and wearing to my sister's wedding. And also, I have some backpacks that I ordered from Amazon for my kiddos. So I want to go ahead and show you that in this haul since it's Amazon, you know, related. So, yeah, so I want to go ahead and get started. So I hope you guys are all doing well, first of all. Most important, I hope you guys are all doing well. And thank you so much for being here. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and get started in this haul. So the first thing you might be seeing, well, I think it's in the viewfinder. Again, I can't see that far away. But these flowers are for my sister's wedding. So this was my girls, my 3 daughters were in the wedding, and then my son was also in the wedding. My 3 daughters were like the junior bridesmaids, and then my youngest daughter was like the flower girl, and then my son was a ring bearer. And so my 2 older daughters each had one of these bouquets. So we brought it home, and it's been in water. And so they got married on Saturday, and it was such a beautiful wedding, And so, these flowers are from the weddings I wanted to show you. So, and then my youngest daughter wore a beautiful baby's breath crown. And so, I might include that in this video, a couple pictures of like us dressed up. But at least I'll definitely show, me in this outfit that I'm about to show you. So, but I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Look I just love roses, you guys. I absolutely love roses. So anyway, I put it in water, so it's going to, stay fresh for a little bit longer. I hope so. So it also has like little pearls in there too. Really, really cute. Oh, and I had a corsage. So my sister gave me a corsage. It was so pretty. So, okay. All right. So I was deciding, okay, I couldn't figure out which dress I wanted to order from Amazon. It had to be long. That was my criteria. It had to be long for me. And also, although I love short dresses, it's just more flattering for my body type to wear longer dresses. So trust me, there were some really cute short ones that I had to pass up. But I did find this one, and I am so excited about it. So like I said, when I'm talking through this video, you'll probably see images. I'm going to try to at least include 1 or 2, if not more, of me in this dress, so you can get an idea better how it looks versus just sitting here on my desk in real life, and what it looked like at the wedding, because I want you guys to see part of, like, the wedding, and include you guys so you could see what it was all about. So here it is. So it came packaged like this. So it came in an envelope, and it came packaged in this plastic little like Ziploc baggie. And then here it is. Okay, so what it is a 2-piece dress, and it was $30 and some change. It was, and I will include the link below me, below my description box here, and I will include the link to this actual dress. Now I should have double checked the price, but I believe it was $30 and some change. Of course, Amazon can fluctuate with their prices, and this came in different patterns. It can come in, the skirt has different patterns you can choose from, and so, but I think in different tops as well. So it was, I think, 30. This is going to bother me. Let me just double check really quick. This is really going to bother me if I don't know for sure the exact price I paid. I'm so sorry about that. Let me just double check my orders, which is easy to do, easy peasy. So here it is. Okay. It was, let's see, it's right now selling for $30.90. I knew it was $30. Yeah, I just had to double check. $30.90, and of course it can always fluctuate with Amazon pricing. Okay. So, all right, here it is. So here's the skirt. And, so like I said, I'm going to try to include pictures for you guys, but it's like a satin material. And you guys, it is so pretty. So my sister got married at like a castle type house. It was so beautiful. And so I wanted to get something kind of like that goes with that kind of like theme. Like this is kind of like, it reminded me of like, almost felt like I was in a Renaissance dress for some reason. I don't know why, but it just are very princessy. I don't know. I just loved it. So it's just satin, and I love the vertical stripes for me. I felt it made me look more slimmer. That's what I really liked about it, the vertical stripes. And I love the pop of color, these roses. And like I said, it's got pockets, you guys, and pockets are everything. I was like holding my phone in here, my cell phone in here while I was taking video with my video camera. I was like doing it all. So I had 2 pockets here, which is great. Great feature. The pockets are also lined with the same material. And so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and bring it up a little closer for you guys to see much better. And then you can see how it's just got the roses. The back, I'm not like, I wish it wasn't, I'm glad it's elastic on the back. You see how it's got the elastic? I like that feature because it's more comfortable to wear. But I probably should have, it looked really cute the way it was, but I think it might have been even cuter if I wore a belt around it. Like ordered, you know, those rhinestone belts, you know, you can, that have like a ribbon and that are like a rhinestone in the front. It has a ribbon. You can like wrap it around, and then it would have probably hidden this. But then I didn't know if it would really work with this type of dress either because it's satin. So I didn't know if the ribbon would like slide up, you know, and down and not cover this whole elastic. So I just kept it just like it is. But anyway, it's not really that noticeable once it's on. So anyway, but yeah, really cute. And so then here's the top. So this one, the different prints come with different kind of tops, different style, and you can't choose. It doesn't allow you to choose different. You can't like say, it can't be like a la carte, like I want this top with this skirt. It can't be like that. It's just sold as is, like per like design of the skirt. So this particular skirt came with a cold shoulder top. So I'll show you, this is what I wore. So, you know, it's just got the cold shoulder sleeve. And actually I thought it was pretty flattering on. So, I mean, here it is. So I wore this just like this. And then you'll see in the pictures, I wore the chunky necklace, that jewelry I got from the Goodwill. And I just jazzed it up with a lot of jewelry. So this is what I wore for the wedding. Now again, I think it was a little hot, but we were outside, you know, so it wasn't like super, you know, we're in California right now, so it's kind of, we're in summer still, right? So I'm waiting for fall. I'm counting down for fall, but it was a little bit hot, but I was also running around. But I mean, it was a nice, beautiful day. It was only in the 80s, but this made it feel a little bit warmer because it is satin and it's a little, it's a thicker material. So it did feel a little bit warmer in this, but would I wear this again to an outdoor wedding? Absolutely, I would. I totally would. I just was there a super long time at my sister's wedding because I was helping her beforehand. And then, you know, we were there. So I was running around taking video and all that. So I was there running around probably more than the average guest would probably. So maybe that's why I was feeling a little bit hot too. So, but other than that, I mean, I love this dress, and yes, I would wear it again to, like a formal event, that kind of thing. I totally would wear it again. So, anyway, I just want to show you that. Okay. So I totally want to show you that. Sorry if I'm like talking too much about it. I just really loved it, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So again, for $30, and I did get a lot of compliments on it too while I was at the wedding. So that was really nice. So anyway, it was $30.90, and then I will put the link in my description box for this, okay? So there's that. Now, so I hope you enjoyed that video, or this part of the video with my cute little wedding ensemble. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to switch gears, and I'm going to show you what I got my sister, what I ordered for my 2 daughters, for my older daughters for school, because they needed rolling backpacks because they have to carry a lot at school. And so this is what we ordered from Amazon. Now they came in each individually in a box. And so here it is. So this is the brand, the tag is right there. It's by J World New York, and I'll also include the link in my description from Amazon of this. And it's J World New York, and it's has a bunch of different patterns to choose from. And this particular pattern is called, I believe, Sunrise. I think so. Sunrise RBS 18. I believe so. It's kind of weird because that pattern's not matching this, but I think that's it. I mean, if you go online, you can see, you know, you'll see if it's matching up. But anyway, it has a lot of colors. So what we wanted again for our children, our older girls, is because you know, the books they have to carry, it's just like heavy. So this comes with the straps, okay, just like this. They have the anti-reflective little thing there, it looks like. Has the padding on the back, so it's a little bit more padded. So if they decide to carry it on their backs, they can. But then you can also, it looks like, tuck them in. I haven't play too much around with this because we just got it in. But I want to show you, it's got like that netted kind of material in the back. And it has anti-reflective wheels almost. I'll show you, I'll lift it up and show you. Then, I mean, I don't know if they're anti-reflective or not, but they look kind of like it. It has like a plastic kind of bottom. I don't know if that's reinforced or not, but it's got like a plastic bottom. But we did order another type of suitcase, not this brand, but another rolling one from Amazon a few years ago. No, like last year. Why am I saying a few years ago? It didn't hold up. What happened to it? It tore a little bit because the books they have to carry, like I said, it just, didn't hold up, but it wasn't this brand. So we paid a little bit more for this one, but I think this one's going to be a lot sturdier, you know, so that's why we got this one. And so anyway, it's got zippers in the front. So it's just, I'll go through it really quick. Zipper in the front, and then it's also got a middle zipper. And inside this middle, I hope you guys can see it, inside this middle zipper, there is a, you know, a lot of, like a compartment there, and then another compartment that unzips, and then places to put little, like, odds and ends in there, like little, like, you know, file, like little folder type things. I don't know what you would call these, little pockets, I guess. I don't know. And then, like, pen holders or pencil holders. And then something to like your keychain, like keys or something like that there. Then on the inside, excuse me, it has the same type of lining on the inside. And it has, this was my daughter, we just bought this a few days ago at Walmart. So that she wanted to bring that to school for sketching. But this is just, you know, simple on the inside. But anyway, that's why we bought this, because we wanted to make it easier for my kids to have to carry around their school books and binders and lunch bags and water bottle and all that jazz. So anyway, we got those. And then this, what else was I going to tell you? There was one other thing this was the coolest feature. So up here, I'm going to hold it on my lap so you can see it. Up here has the handle, right? And it does a bunch of different lengths. So it does two lengths. I think it locks in. So you do, like, it locks down, and then you click it. You can get this height. You know, it just does different heights. So anyway, I thought that was really nice. So that wasn't, that was a cool feature, I mean, to have. So I'll go ahead and show you the other one we got. Same brand, everything. And this is, my daughter already added some fun little flair to it, and same brand. It's got these like little circles in the front. I don't know if you guys can see it very well from where I'm sitting, but there's some circles there. And then again, same thing going on in the back. Straps come out. This is just, you know, really a cute little backpack, and it's heavy duty. Again, she's already starting to pack things in there, getting ready for school because they start on Thursday. Yeah, everything. It's just like the other one. I'll bring this one up to show you again. Just the same exact one. And then, let's see what else I was going to show you. On the inside, she's already packed her stuff up. On the inside, it's got like a same type of material or print, but just a darker color, like almost like a greenish color on the inside. So yeah, so they're getting ready to start school. So yeah, they're getting excited here. They're starting to put stuff in their bags. But yeah, so there's that one. I wanted to show you the different patterns. Like I said, it has a bunch of different patterns, and there we go again with the little quick handle thing. And this handle is a different color. This one's black, the other one is blue. So there you go. So anyway, the cost of these, let me just double check. Again, I should have done that beforehand. I think they were $42, $45. Let me double check for you on that one, just to be sure. Let's see, that one, the tropical print one was, it was $38.25. And then the other guy we got, the blue one, was, again, same company, J World. That was, let's see, that was $38.25. So it says they're normally, it said 75, say $36.75. So I think it's might be reduced right now because it's only $38.25. So anyway, but yeah, of course, the prices, you know, fluctuate on Amazon, but I just wanted to show you that. And like I said, I'll put that in my link below, a link to these individual ones too. So you can quickly get to those if you want to see where they are on Amazon. Again, the company is J-World. I think what I told you guys, J-World, let me double check. J-World, New York. So anyway, you guys, so that is my haul for Amazon. So that, you know, I love Amazon. It's so easy to like just, you know, it's so easy. That's what I love about Amazon. Just like shopping from home is so easy. In fact, I just placed an order for four new lunch bags and 4 new water bottles. So I'll do a haul on that when that comes in. So I'm excited to show you that. So I wanted to get my kids new lunch bags. I do that every year, get them new lunch bags and new water bottles. So I have that to show you guys as well when that comes in. So yeah, so with that being said, thank you so much for being here, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this Amazon haul. And anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. And thanks again so much for being here. And I'll see you soon with my next haul. All right, guys, till next time, take care. See you all really soon. Bye now.